Hello, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 22 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter display, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for your display in this menu. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can manage lock screen preferences, like privacy, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, always show time and info, wake screen for notifications. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable dark theme, and also schedule it between none, turn on at custom time, and turns on from sunset to sunrise. Next, you can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, change its intensity and schedule it, adjust colors between natural, boosted and adaptive, enable or disable auto rotate screen, and in the end you can set Screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.